Fermented soybeans, also referred to as Axone, are a traditional Sumi Naga dish and an ingredient in many others. Soybeans are a versatile ingredient used to make a variety of different foods prevalent in Nagaland, Northeast India and other parts of the world. This includes soya sauce, pickle, and quite a few products and food items you probably haven't heard of before. Axone is also quite nutritious and impart a great deal of health benefits that make it as a beneficial to our health. What is Axone? It is made by soaking whole soya beans, then steaming or boiling them. It is then allowed to ferment over time. Axone is known to be a rather acquired taste, probably due to its unique smell and texture. So what does Axone taste like? It has a distinct flavor, and for many people, the ammonia smell may evolve. As for the textures, it resembles a viscous, stringy and sticky smell bean, which also adds to its unappealing nature. People typically have strong feeling towards Axone. They tend to love it, hate it or eat it until it grows on them. The taste of Axone is actually not that bad. It is the unpleasant smell and stringy texture that can be surprising and unfamiliar to most of you. However, it is packed with powerful nutrients that can make a serious impact on your overall health. What makes Axone so healthy? Fermented Axone are quite healthy as they contain ample probiotics essential for our health. Probiotics also aids in digestion and enable our body to better absorb essential nutrients. A particular healthy probiotic called Bacillus subtilis is used as the fermenting agent in Axone. Along with the probiotics, it also contains a large variety of nutrients, vitamins, enzymes, amino acids that help to lower the risks of many diseases and improve overall health and longevity. Nutrition fact: while Axone appearance may not leave a very good first impression, its nutrition profile makes it well worth giving it a chance. It is an excellent source of protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Additionally, the Bacillus subtilis in Axone create an enzyme called nattokinase, which aids in the production of vitamin K and help preserve heart health, rich in macronutrients and micronutrients. Axone is fantastically nutritious, which is why people who regularly consume it experience a wide area of health benefits. Rich in vitamin K. One of the main reasons that Axone is so good for you is because it is rich in vitamin K. This is especially good news for vegetarians because Axone is one of the few plant-based sources of vitamin K. Having intake of vitamin K is associated with lower risks of heart disease and artery calcification. Vitamin K also supports bone health by increasing bone mass and slowing bone loss that occurs over time. Contain nattokinase. During the fermentation process, soya become more easily digested and absorbed, which is especially good news for those who normally suffer from gut issues. One reason Axone doesn't trigger gastrointestinal discomfort like other forms of soya is because of the enzyme nattokinase created during the fermentation process. Packed with probiotics, another key to Axone's health benefit is its rich content of probiotics. Bacillus subtilis is the bacteria added to soya beans that is then left to ferment in order to create Axone. It helps synthesize enzymes which are used to reduce blood clotting and produce vitamin K. Research reveals the supplemental Bacillus subtilis improves symptoms of irritable bowel syndromes, support a healthy microbiome, and help protect against inflammation. In general, though the major benefit of fermented food like Axone is that they support overall health and immunity to reduce your risk of disease and keep your body in a tip-top shape. Healthy teeth and bones. Axone is loaded with several important micronutrients that play an important part in health. It is important for functioning of nerves and muscles. For example, calcium is one of the main structural components for the healthy teeth tissues and absolutely essential to preventing bone losses. Enhance digestive health. Filling up on probiotics food like Axone can help balance the bacteria in your gut to optimize the health of your digestive system. Research shows that disruption in this delicate gut microbiome can have serious consequences ranging from digestive issues to increased allergy severity and beyond. Getting plenty of probiotics from food or supplement sources has been shown to be beneficial in the treatment of diarrhea, ulcerative and irritable bowel syndromes. keeps your heart healthy. Serving Axone in your diet can have a big impact on the health of your heart. It may help lower cholesterol level to prevent plaque build-up in the arteries. It is also high in vitamin K, which has been linked to a reduced risk of arterial calcification and coronary heart disease. Studies have shown that consumption of nattokinase, the main enzyme found in Axone, has been associated with lower blood pressure and decreased blood clotting, keeping your blood pressure under control, and can help ease the stress on your arteries and keep your heart muscle healthy and strong.
Use the banana leaves while it is a little warmer. A little warm, so put the paste like this. On all four corners. Here. This is how we make the paste. So these are the Axone pack. What we have to do now is we have to dry them, keep them, and then roast it for a few days. This is how we keep above the fireplace.